Malacanang has a clarification on the intellectual property signed recently by President Aquino. The Intellectual Property Office says blind Filipinos are among those to be benefited by the law. It said there's also a misconception that balikbayans will no longer be allowed to bring in CDs and DVDs. We'll have the details of this report from Elena Luna.
The Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines cited the importance of Republic Act No. 103/72, signed by the President, amending the Intellectual Property Code. IPO Director General Ricardo Blancaflor says it balances the rights of both consumers and creators. It is a landmark legislation for the 500,000 blind Filipinos.
Most blind have not read a bestseller or a novel kasi mahal masyado. Now, with the new law, they can ask for any bestseller or any novel to be translated into Braille and they don't have to pay anything. So this is going to benefit 500,000 Filipinos. Tayo, we take it for granted because we can buy. But imagine this new experience will now be shared by 500,000 Filipinos.
The official clarifies the new law does not prohibit from bringing home books and CDs from abroad.
We took out 190, section 190, which says that you can bring 1 copy or 3 copies as the case may be. So maximum of 3. Tinanggal po namin yan. Under the new code, restriction has been deleted. There is no more limitation. You can take in as many as you want or subject of course to customs. Kasi baka commercial quantity, as long as they are not fake, and they are for personal use, fair use. So, all this criticism na sinasabi, hindi totoo yun. Nothing is further from the truth.
RA 103/72 does not punish jailbreaking or unlocking a smartphone system.
Bypassing or jailbreaking is not a crime under this law. But if one is found guilty of infringement and the process he used was jailbreaking, the jailbreaking will be used an aggravating circumstance. Alam naman natin, an aggravating circumstance is not the crime. The crime is the infringement.
In the international campaign against piracy, the record of seizures in the Philippines is almost equal to that of the U.S. The value seized in the past 3 years at 19 billion pesos, making the Philippines a champion in intellectual property enforcement.
I think we still have to do we have to be more vigilant, and we have to cover other areas because definitely we still see many fakes still around. However, and I will end with this, natanggal po tayo sa list of notorious malls, natanggal yung Quiapo, natanggal yung Green Hills, and this never been done before ever since we were in the priority watch list. So I think this is significant in themselves. Again, we would like to think that, well, we are doing a good job. It's still not enough. We have to do more.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.